In this video, I will discuss what resume you should have as a fresher and what all other things you should mention and how to make a quality resume. The same resume I have used as a fresher and got into TCS. At the end of this video, I will provide the template of this resume free of cost. So please watch this video till end. So you can use the same template and this template might be help you might be having lots of query related to resume, so in this video your query might be solved. So watch this video till end. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Before moving ahead, please like this video. Let's come to the resume next. So you can see the resume on my screen. What you should mention today I will discuss in this video. Usually your name, career object, educational qualification, subject of interest, technical skills, projects, and I will tell you what type of questions might come from technical skills and project. What I faced I will share in this video, and all these things we will discuss in this video. So please watch this video till end. At the starting of this resume, you should mention your name. As you can see, I mention my name, Dheeraj Yadav. After that, you can provide your mobile number, your personal mobile number. Then you can provide your email address, and email address should be proper. Like it should be correct. If you have a LinkedIn account, then you can provide your LinkedIn ID, because when you provide your LinkedIn ID, then your resume looks more professional. And if you have your LinkedIn account, then what you can do, you can update fully what you did and what project you did. So you can update all your professional detail at LinkedIn. After that, you can define the career objects. Next, you should mention the qualification. What is your educational background and what is your qualification? So what manner you should mention? First, you should mention your highest qualification, then second highest qualification, then third highest. Like if you did like MCA, BCA, 12th, and if you are in BTech, then first BTech, 12th and 10th, and year of pass out. Then you can mention your college name. So you can mention in this format. It's look perfectly. Yes, it's a most important point, like subjects of interest. What you should mention in subject of interest, you should mention only the subject what you is having really interest in that. If somebody asks any question from that, then you can easily answer of that subject. After that, technical skills. Most of the questions will come from technical skills and your projects. So mention only the technical skills. If you know only one or two technical skills, then only mention that technical skills. If you will mention the third one, then questions might come from third one, then you will not able to answer, then it will be a negative impact. So mention only what you know. Like I mentioned like C and C++ or Java, then my first question will come from here, like what will be the difference between C and C++? What is the difference between C and Java? And one more question can come from here, like what is the difference between PHP and HTML? These all things you should know. And you mention Java, then you should know the OOPS concept very well. That I got questions from you OOPS concept. And from subject of interest, I mentioned like database technology. So I got like what is database, what is normalization, and what is row, what is column. All basic questions I got. What is database, how data is storing in the format of table. All these things I got. And next is project. You should mention your project, whatever you did in your college or in your internship time. You should mention the project, because I got my first question from projects only. And in your certificate, if you did any certificate from any website, then you can mention, you can do the certificate from Coursera, and it's a free of cost certificate available on Coursera. Then you can complete certificate from Coursera, then you can mention in your resume. If you want to know how you can register free of cost certification from Coursera, then I will provide the link in description, so you can see and register the certificate on Coursera. It will be free of cost, and it is a very helpful. I did so many certificates from there, and it is really helping me in my IT industry. After that, you can mention your achievements, any achievement. It might be your sports, it might be your personal, it might be anything. You can mention whatever you have. You can mention your seminar and conferences. If you did any seminar, if you attended any workshop, any webinar, then you can mention in that section. If you have, if you don't attend anything, then remove that particular section, then you can use the same template. After that, you should have a extra curriculum activity, because every student is having a good academic record. So it might be a difference from you and that student if you will mention your extra curriculum activity also, because interviewer are seeing how you are actively participating in other colleges activity also. So you should mention your extra curriculum activity also, what you did and how you participated. They will ask any question. I think they will ask definitely 1 or 2 questions from extra curriculum activity. So they want to know you, how you were activate at the college time, all these things. And you can see the next is personality trait. As I mentioned, like quick learner, comfortable in every environment, like self motive. All these things I mentioned, whatever you have, you can mention the same. After that, you can provide your personal profile, personal detail, like father's name, date of birth, language preferences, Hindi or English, your permanent address and your communication address. Communication address where you are staying currently, and permanent address obviously you know, like your hometown. All this, it's all about the resume. Whatever I used as a fresher, you can download this resume from the Google link. You can directly download. I mentioned the link in description section. You can go and directly download, and you can use the template, same template you can use, and it's a free of cost only, so you can download and you can use it. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will be uploading all the amazing video like this. So thank you for watching this video.